central Mower County in southeastern Minnesota, southeastern Dodge County in southeastern Minnesota, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Hayfield, or 13 miles south of Dodge Center, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat.
No way.
Impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Brownsdale around 6:35 p.m. Grand Meadow around 7:05 p.m.
It's a 1 hour event.
Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Oslo, County Roads 1 and 15, Sargent, Digby, County Roads 1 and 7, Highway 63 and 16 in Dexter. This includes Interstate 90 in Minnesota between mile markers 187 and 202. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota: Dodge and Mower,